Do you want to create a beautiful book cover like this? Or maybe something bold and vibrant like this? Or a cover so professional and clean it could sit right beside Amazon bestsellers? Well, what if I told you you could design covers just like this, completely free and without any graphic design experience at all? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to design a beautiful ebook cover that not only looks great, but actually helps you to get more clicks and sales on Amazon KDP. And don't worry, I'm not just going to talk about it. I will be designing a real book cover together in this video, a travel guide. And I am going to walk you through every step. So even if you have never designed anything before, by the end of this video, you will have a cover you'll be proud of. So if you are ready to finally create a cover that makes your book stands out and actually sells, please stick around. So let's get started. But before we get started, hit that subscribe button if you are into beginner-friendly KDP videos, because on this channel I'll be sharing exactly how I make up to $35 per book sales. And if you don't want to miss all this, subscribe and tap the notification bell. So let's get started. To design a beautiful cover, now the first thing that you need to do is get design inspiration. Now, you know the best way to create a cover that stands out is just to first look at what is already working. And trust me, you don't need to start afresh. There are a lot of websites, that you can check to get design ideas. And one of my major secrets is Pinterest.com. So all you need to do is go to Pinterest.com and create an account. So after you have created your Pinterest account, so what you will do is click on this search bar and you type your niche. If you are designing for a cookbook, you will write cookbook cover design ideas. But for the sake of this video, we are creating a travel guide. So what you do is type in travel guide cover design ideas, then you enter. Now Pinterest will give you a lot of beautiful ideas. So this is where you will learn or have an idea of the kind of design that you must create to make your book get sales. Now after you have gotten your design ideas from Pinterest, now the next thing to do is go to Canva.com. Now Canva is one of the best places to design your book cover. It's free and you don't need to pay anything. So head on to Canva.com and create a free Canva account. Now after you have already signed up, now the next thing to do is go to custom size. Now this is the aspect that you choose the size of your book cover. Now we have a lot of sizes. Now we have 5.25 by 8.33. We have 6.25 by 8.33. We have 6 by 9, and we have so many of them. But for the sake of this video, we shall be using 6 by 9. So all you need to do is come to your width and input 6, and for your height you will put in 9, and you click on create new design. Now after you have done this, you now have a blank white Canva. So this is where you will be designing your cover. So this is where everything is going to be designed. Now the first thing to do is go to file and name your design. You can name it Venice Travel Guide. Venice Travel Guide. So this is where we are going to start our design. Now after you have gotten your white Canva, all you need to do is upload a beautiful image for your background. Now you don't need to be a photographer to get a beautiful image. All you need to do is go to either the free website or the paid website. For the free website, we have websites such as freepik.com, Pixabay, Unsplash, and so many others. And for the paid website, you have iStock.com and we have shutterstock.com, and we have a lot of them. So all you need to do is get a beautiful image that will make your book cover to stand out. So now let us download our image. We shall be using theshutterstock.com. So you come to the search bar and type Venice, Italy. Then you enter. So this website will give you a lot of beautiful images, as you can see. Now if you go down, then you will see the exact image I use, and this is it. This is the image I use. So you click on it and download it. After you have downloaded your image, the next thing is to upload it into your Canva. Go to upload and click on upload file so that you can locate where it is. Now you click on upload files, go to download, or anywhere that you have downloaded your image. So you pick it and then you upload it into your Canva. So now that you have uploaded it, it is time to pick the image. So you click on it and you drag it to wherever you want it to be. So for this cover design, so we'll be having something like this. So now you have your background image. So don't forget, this is the book cover design that we want to create in this tutorial. So after you have uploaded your image, now the next thing is to pick a perfect background color. Now make sure you choose a beautiful color. Now for the sake of this video, we shall be choosing green. So you click on this Canva and you go to the background color. So here you will see a lot of colors. We have red, we have yellow, we have all those colors. So but for the sake of this video, we shall be choosing green. So we are having green as our background color. Now after adding your background color, so the next thing that we do is add other images. And what I did in this design is that I had this circle. So I went to frame and I searched for circle. So you put this here, then you reduce the size and you add a stroke. You can give it 6 stroke. Then you copy it and you have the second one here, and you make this one a little bit bigger. So now all you need to do now is add another image to these circles. So you go to your upload and you will pick the other images that you have downloaded. So you can click this and you drag it inside. So now you can see it is already appearing inside that circle. Then you look for the second image. Now you have it. Now that we have added our images and the background color, now the next thing is to include our text. So all you need to do is go to text and click on it, then pick add a heading, then you type Venice. So you increase the size and you drag it up a little bit. Now you need to change this color. So you double click and you come to this tag color and you pick, let us pick the color we use, that is yes, we use this color, yes. So now you click on text again and you click on add headline, travel guide. So you drag it up a little bit and you double click to change the color to white. So the next thing to do now is to add our subtitle. So you click on add subtitle and you drag it down. So you type the text, experience the magic, rich history and hidden treasures of the iconic beautiful city. Now you reduce the size of this subtitle and you make it appear in the middle. You drag it so that it can be centered. Now the next thing is change the color to white. You double click and you change the color to white. Now you have your headings and your subtitle. But the next thing is we need to make this text look more beautiful and bolder. So we need to add effect to it. So you click on this and you click on effect. You go to shadow and you scroll down, then click here and add the black. Can you see that it looks more beautiful and it is even bolder? So you click and do the same thing to all of that text. So you click on it, click on effect, shadow, and you pick your black color. Click on this as well, shadow, click on it and pick your black color. Now you have your headings and your subtitle ready. So the next thing is we had our author's name, which is your own name. So you click on text as well, then go to add headings and you drag it to wherever you want it to appear. So for this cover, we want it to appear at the top. So you type Richard Squash. Then you reduce the size to something like 30 or just pick any size of your choice. Now we have it. Now that you have completed your design, the next thing is to download it. So you click on share, then you go to download and you select the JPEG. Then you click on download. That's all. Now you have downloaded your book cover. Now before we wrap it up, let me tell you some common mistakes that you need to avoid if you want to have a beautiful and a professional cover design. Now the first one is too much text. You don't need to add too much text to your design. Just use few text and make it bold, clear and short. Let it be a text that people can be able to see from a glance. Now the second mistake is using bad font choices. Now you must avoid fancy script. Just stick to a clean modern font that match your gen. Now the third one is using a blurry low quality images. You must avoid this at all costs. I've shown you where you can download free quality images. Now the fourth mistake is using the wrong color. You must make sure that you use the right color. Make sure that your color matches with your image. Now the last but not the least is checking ideas. Make sure you check ideas on Pinterest and some other websites before you begin your design. Now we have come to the end of this tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, kindly click on the subscribe button, like the video and click on the notification bell so that you can get more of my videos. Thank you and see you in my next video.